Namaste, I'm Minnie and welcome to my channel Food Atomic. Today we are making one of my favorite and healthiest dip recipe called hummus. So let's get started. These are the ingredients we would need for making hummus. I have listed all of them in the description section as well. Let's start by making tahini first. You can choose the amount of sesame seeds as per the amount of tahini you want. I'm using 3/4 bowl of sesame seeds here. So heat a pan and add the sesame seeds. We are going to heat them over medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes, not more than that. You will not see any color changes, so after 4 minutes switch off the heat and let them cool off. Once they are cold, add the sesame seeds to a blender. If you already have a store-bought tahini at home, you can completely skip this step. Switch on the blender and you have to blend till the sesame seed starts to become like a paste and ooze oil out of them. This step might take 15 to 20 minutes as we will be scraping the sesame seeds down continuously and wait for it to release the oil. I always prefer to make tahini at home because again it might take some time, but it's a very simple process. As you can see, the tahini is ready now. Let's start with the preparation of hummus. So take 200 grams of chickpeas, soak them overnight and then boil them. Once cold, add the boiled chickpeas to the blender. Add 4 tablespoons of tahini. Again, if you have store-bought tahini, you can use that as well. Add 2 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, half tablespoon of salt or salt as per taste, half tablespoon of cumin powder, juice of 1 full lemon, I'm going to add 1/4 bowl of water, or you can start by adding little bit of water and blend it. I'm going to blend it till everything turns into a smooth paste. If the quantity of chickpeas is more, you can divide the mixture into 2 batches and then do this step. Going to give it a mix again and then blend together. The mixture looks smooth now. So I'm going to stop the blender and the hummus is ready. Check the consistency. If you feel this is still thicker for you, you can add some more water. You can always adjust the consistency of hummus by reducing or adding the extra amount of water. Now pour it into a fresh bowl and we will season it with some red chili powder and some olive oil. Now drizzle around 1 teaspoon of olive oil and add some leaves of parsley or coriander. Hummus is a really healthy dip and it can also last in fridge in an airtight container for a long time. So I always prepare a bigger batch, but I end up eating it within a week. Hummus can be prepared in so many different variations, but this basic hummus is one of my favorite. It is so healthy and it goes with pretty much everything from salads to falafel to wrap and even burgers. It enhances the flavor of every single food. The healthiest way you can pair hummus is with some cucumbers just like this. I've also listed few benefits of eating chickpeas, so make sure to check them out. See how easy it was? So if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Food Atomic. If you are still looking for more vegan recipes, click right here. I'll be back with another interesting vegan video. Until then, bye.